Carvey is a new kind of 3D machine for making real objects out of real materials. We call it a 3D carver. Everyone has killer ideas. We've all seen things and thought, I can make that better, or higher quality, or I could just make it myself. We want you to be able to make it. That's why we created Carvey. We want you to be able to go from idea to finished product in under 5 minutes. So we broke it down into 3 easy steps. First, make your design. Design software can be hard to use, so we made Easel. It's easy to use, and it runs in your browser. The next step is to choose your material. Woods, plastics, soft metals like aluminum, even circuit boards. Pick whatever inspires you. The last step is, no matter what kind of maker you are, you click Carve, and it makes it.
Being able to design in a program and have that same program connect to the machine, just beyond amazing.
The steps involved has been cut down to near nothing. Now the idea is the focus.
We wanted it to be as beautiful as it is functional. So we reached out to Scott Wilson and his team of designers at Minimal.
People need to be able to jump in and use it and quit thinking about the tool so much and think about what they're trying to do.
Today, we finally have a prototype that we love. It's beautiful, it's quiet, it's clean, and it sits neatly on a desktop. But most importantly, it works great.
Amanda is a maker, a practitioner of tech wizardry and DIY magic. And this maker just got a new magic wand. This is the new Optimus. The Optimus is a modular 3-in-1 machine that includes a 3D printer, a laser, and CNC mill. It assembles into 2 configurations and creates finished products. This machine can make anything except waffles. So we designed the Optimus for people like Amanda. She's full of cool ideas and wants to create something new. The way that it's been though, if you wanted to start making, you'd have to strike a deal with the devil to finance a lot of machines and a huge space to use them. And unless you're Tony Stark, this situation is about as convenient as a harpoon to the face. Not convenient at all. So we changed that and created one flexible machine with 3 essential tools that fits on your desktop. This machine was forged in our small team of makers, engineers, and designers. And we're driven by this idea that making can be more fun, easy, and just a better experience overall. So with that thinking, we made the Optimus simple to operate and maintain. And along with this machine, we've created an app to control it and also a simplified 3D design program so Amanda can start making fast. While it's easy to use, this machine was built for professionals who require top-grade tools. This is what we're all about. And with quality in mind, we built the Optimus with all-metal parts. This ensures that it's going to be reliable, sturdy, and that it can bring your ideas to life year after year. The modular design enables the whole rig to quickly transform back and forth in just a few minutes. And a modular design means it's easy to manufacture and transport. And because you don't need to buy 3 separate machines, you'll save money. Then maybe you can buy that waffle maker too. We know firsthand about the excitement of holding your own designs, so while others may not get why you make, tinker, or cosplay, we do, and we want to help you make more stuff.
This is Evo 1, a CNC machine made for anyone. If you're a maker, designer or a company, it doesn't matter. You will be able to express your creativity and give life to complex projects in just a few simple steps. With Evo 1, you can mill any material. Plastics, woods, aluminum, brass, PCB, and many others. The software permits to use Evo 1 quite easily. Furthermore, thanks to the preview, You will control the process in real time. Through the touch plate, you will have the possibility of quickly position the material with high precision. You just need to draw your idea, choose the material, and start the manufacturing process. EVO 1 is easy to use, beautiful and powerful. You will produce real 3D objects with the best quality.
We focus our effort on making it a functional product and, at the same time, nice to see anywhere you like, choosing a perfect mix of aluminum and wood. For us, the quality is on top. We use high precision guides and ball bearing screw on every axis that make EVO 1 a real machining center in miniature. We have designed a real spindle, more powerful, faster, and with a high-speed brushless motor.
We won't give you the opportunity of making huge items. For this reason, the work area is the biggest in its class.
Meet Olo. Imagine being able to print 3D objects directly from your smartphone for under $100. Olo is the first smartphone-powered 3D printer. Simple and affordable, Olo uses the light from the screen of your smartphone to print 3D objects. Half of its hardware is already in your pocket. Olo works with phones of all sizes. Its app is available for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. Creating 3D objects is as simple as picking a design from Olo's easy-to-use library. Or you can use any 3D mobile app, including 3D scanning, to make your own. You can also choose designs from the web that are created by others or shared via social media. Olo can print files from the 3D design software of your choice. Select your object, pour in the resin, and Olo does the rest. Olo uses a special photopolymeric resin. Olo prints your design by using the light from the screen of your smartphone to harden the liquid resin layer by layer. Olo can even print multiples of the same object, or several different objects all at the same time. After Olo prints your 3D object, all you need to do is rinse it under warm water. Olo has different resins for different jobs. Olo can print hard objects and flexible ones. Olo even has a castable resin that can be fused, so you can create an object in silver and gold or other casting metals. Olo's resins can be used to print translucent models to light up your designs. Olo resins are available in a variety of colors and are priced competitively with other common 3D printing materials. Anyone can use Olo. All you need is creativity. With Olo, you can exchange creations with people all over the world. You can even send a surprise gift to someone special that can only be revealed by printing it.
Hi, I'm Brad Kreil, founder of Velocity Robotics and maker of AutoSet. After doing several DIY projects on my own, I ran into the problem all the time of making measurement errors and then cutting errors. As a DIYer, I realized I wasn't the only one having this problem. Everybody makes the wrong cuts. We developed AutoSet to eliminate workflow error in construction. Using AutoSet can be learned in less than 5 minutes. First, you make your measurement. AutoSet reads your measurement and shows you which way to adjust. Next, you adjust the stop to a rough setting, and finally, AutoSet makes a precision adjustment for the perfect cut. For professional builders and remodelers, AutoSet impacts their bottom line by vastly improving their productivity. For DIY consumers, AutoSet affords the ability to work with greater accuracy and precision than they would otherwise be capable of.
My name is Kat, and I'm a woodworker in Pittsburgh. I'm beta testing AutoSet. I use CNC router equipment, and I also use laser cutters, so precision is really important to me. I don't want a lot of waste when I'm making something. Well, you're supposed to measure twice and cut once, but in my case it's more like measure 10 times because I don't want to waste my material. If I can get it right the first time, that cuts down on a lot of extra time for me. I take a measurement with the Bluetooth e-tape and then it sends it directly to AutoSet for me. I love AutoSet. It saves me a ton of time and anxiety about making my cuts. I'm much faster. I know that it's accurate before I even get started.
While installing building material, you probably know the motto is measure twice, cut once. Really, it's more like measure 4 or 5 times. A couple times in the place where you're installing the material, and then again a couple times when you're at the saw cutting the material. Each measurement is an opportunity for making a costly mistake.
What gets me up in the morning is that I want to make a difference. I'm Adam Staley with Adam Corp. I'm a remodeling contractor in the city of Pittsburgh. I've been doing remodeling for 20 years. The more perfect cuts you get, the faster you get the project done. Perfect cuts and having a wall that's straight, that's what sets you apart from the other guys. Well, the smartphone is an appendage to any of this generation that is coming up and working today. It's just part of who they are. It's more likely that they would have a smartphone on them than the tools that they need to work that day. The learning curve on AutoSet, the ease of use, it's as simple as it gets. Basically, if you can read a left arrow or a right arrow, when they all line up, that's your measurement. Go ahead and cut. How much easier can it get? If the AutoSet was on my job site every day, I know it would maximize my efficiency.